Assalamu alaikum and welcome to UrduMaster.
Due to busy schedule, I was not able to upload new videos. But now we are back. 5 common idioms. Proverbs, with English alternatives.
जैसी करनी वैसी भरनी,
Tit for tat.
जैसा देश वैसा भेस,
Do as Romans do.
आसमान से गिरा खजूर में अटका,
Out of the frying pan, into the fire.
चोर की दाढ़ी में तिनका,
A guilty conscience needs no accuser.
ज़रूरत ईजाद की माँ है.
Necessity is the mother of invention.
Thanks for watching. For more videos, stay tuned to Urdu Master.